Hey guys, I'm Janet and welcome back to AFI's DIYs. Today's project is fun and easy. We'll be showing you how to make a DIY beard wax with nourishing jojoba oil and a matte finish. First, let's go over what we'll be using. You'll need these supplies: a double boiler with a heat-safe bowl, a hot plate, whisk or glass stirring rod, a spatula, a thermometer, pouring pitcher, a sealable container for packaging. To make about 4 ounces of beard wax, you'll be using 43% or 1.72 ounces of almond oil, 20% or 0.8 ounces of coconut oil, 15% or 0.6 ounces of KAOLIN clay powder, 10% or 0.4 ounces of beeswax, 10% or 0.4 ounces of jojoba oil, 1% or 0.04 ounces of fragrance, 1% or 0.04 ounces of vitamin E oil. To find a fragrance for this beard wax, I checked out AFI's extensive library and picked out something I know just about any guy would like: Grey Goose. This is a great combination of musky and fresh notes, perfect for a men's grooming product. Make sure the fragrance you choose for this DIY is IFRA approved to be skin safe, just like this one. All right, now that we have our fragrance, let's put on our gloves and goggles and start this DIY. All right, let's get started. Start by adding the almond oil, coconut oil, KAOLIN clay, beeswax, and jojoba oil into your double boiler. Turn the hot plate on medium-high heat and stir well while the contents of the bowl melt, bringing them up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the beeswax has completely melted and all of the oils have homogenized, remove the heat and cool to a temperature of about 104 to 122 degrees. Add the fragrance and vitamin E oil and stir well until thoroughly dispersed. Now all that's left is to transfer the mixture to a pitcher for an easier pour and fill your packaging container. This beard wax is nourishing and helps to keep your beard looking neat by mattifying and drawing in flyaways. Simply scoop a small amount onto your fingers and use the warmth of your palm to disperse it into your mustache and beard. It only costs us about $3 to make this DIY. You can sell it wholesale for $5 to $6 and retail for $10 to $12. Pair it with our DIY aftershave for a whole line of great smelling men's grooming products. Well, that's it for today's AFI DIY. If you liked this video, we'd love it if you left us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Become a member of the notification squad by hitting that bell icon and you'll be the first to know about any updates from AFI. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.